If you can remember it like this, very good. Otherwise, I can tell you a trick by which you can remember this. You want to know the trick or you don't want to trick yourself? Okay, let me tell you. Come over here. Let's look at here. This is chromosome number 14. "14-year-old girl. You know, she's very recently she got aware of her special features, and she's looking to the mirror too much, beautifying herself. Chromosome 14 is like 14-year-old girl, right? Now, here is chromosome number 18 looking at it. Right? Chromosome number 18. And here the baby chromosome number 8. Right. Now, when chromosome number 18, like a young adult, aggressive, out of control, he looks at this 14-year-old, he is interested in the follicles. This is his mind hormonal problem. So if he really try to do some translocations, that should be follicular. So 18-14 translocation is classically with the follicular thing. Right? But do you think this 8-year-old boy, he can think this girl may have started having follicles or something like this? He thinks it's like his mother. At the maximum, he can think she is becoming motherly feature. 8-year-old boy, you know, innocent. So he will be only wanting blessings from her. Nothing else. Just blessings. Blessing stands for what? Barakats. So 8-14, only blessings. So whenever 18-14 translocation, think of follicular lymphoma. When 8-14 translocation, 8 chromosome cannot imagine about follicles, too innocent, only barakat, it's enough, blessings. Is that right? Now we come to 11 chromosome. Chromosome number 11. You know, 11-year-old children, they like the bicycles very much. Do you remember your age when you were 11-year-old? So 11-year-old, chromosome number 11, going on the cycle all the time. Is that right? And mentally, he is little retarded. Just look at it. Do you think he can even imagine what could be done here? What he will do? He'll have bicycle and run around that girl. You must remember your age. Very new, just 11, 12, taking bicycle, just look around and just go. Never thinking of anything. Is that right? So chromosome number 11, if it involves any translocation with what chromosome number 14, at the maximum, what will happen? Right? Some mental problem, mental cell lymphoma. Mental cell lymphoma. And cyclin D gene will be involved. Which gene? Cyclin D gene is involved. I will explain the genes later. First, again listen. Chromosome number 14 is a very, very sexy chromosome. It is present in every cell, but in the B cell, chromosome number 14, at the immunoglobulin gene, chromosome number 14, which gene? Here is a special gene here, which is called, yes, gene for the immunoglobulin locus for heavy chain. Immunoglobulin gene. Immunoglobulin gene on the chromosome number 14 in the B cell is very active. You know why it is active? It is making different recombinations and class switching and things like that. So, in the B lymphocyte, there are chances when there are enzymes, recombinases trying to play here with chromosome number 14 and they're making different recombination of genetic material. By mistake, they may make translocation. Is that right? Chromosome number, in the B cells, chromosome number 14 has a special locus for immunoglobulin gene. That area undergoes very rapid alterations, is that right? Or class switching or hypermutation, different things. Due to that reason, it is genomically unstable area. I think my English is not good. It's unstable area. I don't know on or in. But what really happens that this, when their enzymes recombinases are making some genetic alteration here, they may make by chance, by mistake, recombination of this area or translocation of this area with some other chromosome. Am I clear? Now, we were talking about this is a hot zone or cold zone functionally? Hot. Is that right? Now let me tell you something simple. This chromosome, this gene, there is a special gene here at the chromosome number 8. This gene is called MYC gene. What is this? MYC gene. When MYC gene is present at its normal locus, it is well regulated. This is its regulatory unit. So this gene is very well controlled. Do you know the function of MYC gene product? Anyone who knows the function of MYC gene product? MYC actually stimulates the cell proliferation. Is that right? MYC gene product it is proto-oncogene. When MYC gene is a proto-oncogene, and if its products are produced in the cell undergo rapid proliferation. Am I clear? Now listen. If this translocation occur, MYC gene is translocated from chromosome number 8 to the chromosome number 14 in the neighborhood of immunoglobulin gene, which is a hot spot. And this gene leaves its regulatory unit behind. So when MYC will shift at this area, do you think it will be superactive or underactive? Superactive. When your neighborhood has disco, you can understand what might happen to you. So MYC translocate from chromosome number 8 to the neighborhood of immunoglobulin gene on the chromosome number 14 in the B cell. MYC overexpresses, and when it expresses MYC proteins, right, these proteins force the cell to proliferate too much. And when such B cells and such lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, proliferate too fast, they produce a tumor which is one of the world's fastest growing human tumor, which is called Burkitt lymphoma. You understand what happened at molecular level and chromosome level? Now we come to here. So naturally, when we'll go into detail of Burkitt lymphoma, mitosis rate will be low or high?